Welcome to 102 Corliss Hill Road, a charming bungalow in highly desirable Meredith Center. The cozy kitchen features wood cabinetry and a functional layout, ready for your personal touch. Bright living spaces boast fresh interior paint and abundant natural light, offering a clean slate for your vision. The main floor includes a versatile bedroom, a full bathroom, and convenient first-floor laundry. Upstairs, you will find a private attic-style bedroom. Relax in the sun-drenched three-season porch. Outside, this quarter-acre lot includes a massive barn, perfect for a workshop. The backyard offers a peaceful setting to enjoy the outdoors. Just a short drive from Meredith Village, the lakes, and local mountains, this is an incredible opportunity to build equity. Schedule your tour today.